Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to set up donations on Squarespace. This is a fantastic feature if you're running a nonprofit, creative project, or any initiative where you'd like to accept contributions directly through your website. Also, if you're interested in business tools that could improve your workflow, I've dropped a few links in the description down below. Let's start by heading over to your browser and typing in squarespace.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. This will take you straight to your Squarespace dashboard, which is your central hub for managing all your websites. Now that you're on the dashboard, you'll see a list of websites associated with your account. Simply click on the website where you want to set up donations. This will open up the main interface for that specific site, giving you access to all the customization and setup options you need. Once you're inside, look over to the left side menu and click on Website. This will expand a set of options beneath it. From there, click on Pages. This section allows you to manage all the different pages on your site and choose where you'd like to place your donation feature. Next, select the page where you want to add the donation block. This could be your home page, a dedicated donations page, or any other page that makes sense for your site's layout. Once you've chosen the page, click the Edit button to enter the page editor. This is where you'll make the actual changes. Now select a section on the page where you'd like the donation block to appear. After selecting the section, click Add Block. This opens up a menu with various block types you can insert into your page. Scroll through the options and find the one labeled donation. Then click it. At this point, you'll likely see an error message on the donation block. Don't worry, this is completely normal. The error appears because you haven't set up a payment method yet, which is required for the donation feature to function properly. To fix this, click Save at the top of the page to preserve your changes, then click Exit to leave the page editor. Now in the upper left corner, click on Website to return to the main menu. From there, look for the gear icon, which represents your site settings, and click it. This will open up the settings panel. On the left side, click Selling, and then under that, click Payments. This is where you'll connect a payment processor that allows you to accept donations securely. You'll see 3 payment method options: Stripe, PayPal, or Square. Choose the one that works best for you. Once you've made your choice, click Connect and log into your account for that payment service. Follow the prompts to authorize the connection between your Squarespace site and the payment provider. This step ensures that all donations can be processed smoothly and securely. Once you've successfully connected your payment method, head back to the page where you added the donation block. You'll notice that the error message has disappeared and the donation block is now fully functional and ready to accept contributions. And that's it. You've successfully set up donations on your Squarespace site, making it easy for visitors to support your cause or project. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.